If your Audi Q7 armrest will not latch, you don't have to buy a new one, as this can be repaired. Other videos have also shown you where the spring mount has broken in two places, but this video will show you how to take it apart and how to use two-part epoxy with fiber to fix it. First, you need to remove 4 T15 screws that are inside the armrest, as you can see here. And there are 2 more under the cup holders. After removing these 4 screws, you will need to use plastic cards to split open the armrest clamshell, but it is important to remove these screws first. As you can see here, it's going to take a little prying to open up the clamshell. Once the clamshell has been split in half, you can pull the whole unit up, and there you see the spring mount and the flat spring where the plastic tabs have broken off. The broken tabs from the spring mount of this poorly designed armrest cannot be reattached, and I don't recommend using super glue because it will break again. Here I'm using marine grade 2-part epoxy along with fiberglass. I've cut the fiberglass into tiny little pieces, and when mixed in with the resin, it will provide a much stronger bond to rebuild the spring mount, which will be much stronger than ever before. You've just saved yourself at least $300. Reinstall the armrest in reverse order and you're done.